Hey, it's Maya, and today I'm going to show you what I keep in my purse. And for today I'm doing this purse, but sometimes other days I do another purse, just depending on the day and whatever I need in the purse. So it depends on the size. Sometimes it's a smaller purse. But today I'm going to do this purse, and what I like about this purse, you can do this like a side strap, but then you could also take it off the straps, and then it's just like this then. But sometimes something that I take with me in my purse is Percy Jackson, the first book. Sometimes I take my brush with me, but I could take it with me in this purse, but sometimes I don't because the purse is too small to keep it in there. And I take my wallet. I always keep a face mask with me because you never know if I need it. And I take sunglasses. Got them from Shein. And I also, because it's summer, I take with me a fan. I take hand cream. It's from Bath and Body Works. I take 2 hand sanitizers with me. This one's getting low, so I have this one as a backup. I take Carmex, and I keep candy at first sometimes. I keep that. And I take this, some Hershey Kisses, and that's it in my purse in this video. Bye.